tatanungin muna kita. Ano ba yung tanong ko? Paano kayo alam ko ikaw ay itatag kita as one of the woman of substance na kilala ko na nasa Pilipinas. Okay. Paano kayo nagkakilala ni to begin with pala, baka hindi nila kilala ikaw. Lolita Lolita lives in Canada. Nagkakilala lang kami dito sa platform ni Meta. And nag-click kami kaagad, diretso. Nag-click kami because pareho kami waray. And kilala niya yung brother kong announcer. At saka, nag-usap kami kagabi. Just me, it was a blast. Kasi, parehas ng experience, parehas ng although, mas magaling yung experience niya kaysa sa akin. And I'm really, really impressed how you did it. I don't know. Now, pareho tayo nasa Canada, pareho tayo nasa English-speaking country. If you can give a favor, kasi hindi mata-translate ni Paulit yung ating sasabihin, yung important thing na mag-English tayo ng konti. Tagalog man tayo, mag-English natin so that Paulit would be able to understand what we're saying. Okay? Okay. Sagutin mo na muna yung tanong ko habang si Emeline ay hindi pa nagsasabi na aakyat na siya. Paano kayo nagkakilala ng asawa mo? Alam ko na ang foundation ng love niyong dalawa ay solid. Shout out sa S17 na Eyes.
Okay. So, before, pakilala ko muna sa inyo ang aking sarili. Ako po I will speak in Tagalog. So, because a lot of viewers, I'm sorry, Ma'am Paulit, but I know and you say before that you understand because you're watching our what we are saying, and you translate in Mr. Gogol is there, as always, there help us. Anyway, so I will speak in Tagalog, and so that the viewers could understand what I am saying, and also I can express what I want to say to the audience. Thank you so much, Ma'am Paulit, for coming this live, and thanks everyone also, those who are listening in this